to my channel, Sparkling Glue. So glad to have you here. I wanted to just show you a quick tip on how to remove a background from an uploaded image in Cricut Design Space, and you're not going to click Remove Background. So let's go ahead. Click Upload in your canvas, Upload Image. You're going to browse. I have one on my desktop that I want to use. And here it is. Just hit Continue. And you are going to wait for it to load, and then I want to show you what happens. If you click Remove Background, so now it's going ahead to automatically remove it, and just give it a minute. Okay, now I want to show you. See how it cut off the tops of these images up here, and it did not remove the background from in between. And normally I just would give up here and say, okay, this image just doesn't work for this. But hit cancel and go ahead and start fresh, upload image, and you have to start fresh, okay, from where your image was. Go ahead and pick it, hit continue, and then what you want to do is you want to come down to manual. And make sure select is highlighted, which mine always is when I come in, but I'm not sure if that comes in for you. And then take your mouse, and I put it somewhere on the white background, and then just click. It does take a minute, but all of a sudden, do you see how it removed the background perfectly? It didn't cut off the tickets. Everything's great. Hit apply and continue. And make sure you select flat graphic and continue, and then click upload. And it's going to go ahead and upload it to your canvas. And then when you come in, it does have a red error. What I do is I just click on it and click auto resize. It automatically puts it to the correct size for printing then cutting. Click make, and then you're going to go ahead and hit continue, and then send to printer, and then go ahead and cut it like you normally would. And that's it. It's that simple and works perfect, at least for me, every time. All right. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Have a great day and keep sparkling.